Hi, I'm Nikki from Fine & Country Leamington Spa, and I'm here with your market update for September. The housing market continued to pick up momentum throughout August, meaning we have enjoyed another busy month of activity. During August, here at the Leamington office, we exchanged on £2.2 million worth of property and agreed sales on £4.4 million worth of property. And typically, August can be a quieter month with people going away on holiday and before the schools go back. But this year has been very different. Already in September, we have agreed sales on £6.6 million worth of property, so a fantastic start to the new season. Buyer demand is 34% higher than the same time last year, and according to Rightmove, there has been a 59% increase in sales agreed for prime properties. Prime property prices in July increased by 4.49% annually, and the average prime property is selling for just above £1 million. So looking more locally, the law of village life has led to agents having to find more houses in village locations this year than for the whole of 2019. Rightmove has actually placed Southam in the top 16 hotspot locations, which has seen the number of sales agreed by estate agents surpassing their total for the whole of 2019, which is obviously brilliant news for our local area. We are well on track with 4 months to go to record a significantly higher number of transactions by the end of this year. Of course, we don't know what the months ahead will bring. With the end of the furlough scheme and other government support initiatives, it may test the strength of the economy in the coming months. However, we do still predict an increase in the transactions reflecting the surge in newly agreed sales taking their time to complete. If you were contemplating selling, please do get in touch for a free valuation or to ask us for our advice. Thank you very much for watching.